Lately, I've been waiting left and right, but even waiting can be more than in fight. People say that I'm missing, I'm so beyond my years, but they don't see inside of me. I'm hiding on my attitude. They don't know that I've been running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when all is around. I drop my sword, I cry for just a while. Deep inside is sad more. The warrior is a child. Because his armor is the best, but even so, you're needing quite a place to rest. People say that I am missing, I never replaced with ring, but they don't see the enemy that lay beyond his feet. They don't know that I came coming home when I fall